Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find Zengo wallet address, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply gonna go ahead, open up our Zengo wallet app on our phone, and this is how the interface gonna pop up. Now for us to see the address, all we gotta do is tap on this option of receive. Right afterwards, you're gonna find all kinds of Bitcoin and the tokens that we have to see the address for. So let's say we're gonna find Zengo Wallet Bitcoin address or Ethereum address. We're gonna tap on it and we're gonna find our address. Right over here, you can see the address is right over here. We're going to choose to find the QR as well, or we can simply tap on this copy, and we have copied our particular address and we can share it to whoever we like, and that is it. So that is how basically you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.